Till where will I go for my art? Travel far and wide, looking for the perfect muse. The vision is mine alone. I see details no one else does. Delve into my mind and swirl within its depths. Telling a tale in every frame. Fly close to the sun. The artist's mind always goes back to where the journey began. Eyes on the prize, finger on the trigger. Because inspiration missed is imagination lost. And I never just take a picture. I reach for extremes to turn my imagination into art. Now with the Vivo X100 series, perhaps you can too. Next level of imagery. Vivo X100 series. Extreme imagination.
Vivo.